It's been a busy afternoon in the ABC9 Weather Center, and it will continue to be a busy evening. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Pierce and Madison counties in Nebraska for the next 5 minutes. It goes through 5:15. The storm is pushing north and east. It has 60-mile-per-hour winds and some quarter-size hail there. You can see some heavy rain in the red and some lots of lightning. It's pushing north and east towards Randolph, so keeping updates on that severe thunderstorm warning. If we pull us out, we could see that we have showers and storms throughout the area, just north of Sioux City in southeast South Dakota and in northwest Iowa. These are non-severe right now. We're seeing just some heavy rain and some lightning there, but we are keeping an eye on the potential for more severe storms through the overnight. There is a slight risk for severe weather in Siouxland, meaning some storms could become strong to severe tonight, and we're keeping an eye on that. If you are in that severe thunderstorm warning, though, remember we want to take shelter. There's large hail and damaging winds and lots of lightning with that storm, so seek shelter inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 11 o'clock tonight for most of Siouxland. Again, we could see some more strong and severe storms through the overnight. We're not done yet. We also have a flash flood watch in effect northwest Iowa and central Iowa. We could see up to 2 inches of rain, but locally heavier amounts in some stronger storms. So keep an eye on the flooding potential there, especially since our ground is so dry. It might take a while for the water to kind of seep in. So keeping an eye on that. No flash flood warnings in effect yet, but always good to remember our safety. Move to higher ground right away in the case of a flash flood warning. Don't cross any flooded roads. Turn around, don't drown, and be careful at night. Through the overnight tonight is when we could see some of that heavy rain. And remember, you might not be able to see where the flooded roadways are if it is too dark. So as far as tonight goes, we're looking at wind and hail as primary threats for us. Hail up to 2 inches, possible wind up to 70 miles per hour. Flooding is a risk there as well. Again, we could see locally heavier amounts up to 4 inches with some of those stronger storms. Those thunderstorms will continue through the overnight hours. I think the peak, or the ending rather, of those severe storms would be around 10 o'clock. As we get closer to midnight, they'll probably weaken, but we could still see some rain last through a little bit of the overnight hours, but then we'll be dry by sunrise, staying very warm and muggy tonight with those showers and storms. We'll start with clouds earlier tomorrow before we clear out those clouds and bring in some cooler and less humid weather. So here is the satellite and radar again, very busy, especially northern Iowa and into Nebraska, as we see that front really come together for us. On the bigger picture, we could see that there as well, that front really coming together in Nebraska, and it's going to push east through the overnight. So Stormcast HD, here's that front. We're going to continue with showers and storms through the evening and the overnight hours. I think throughout the next 2 hours is when we'll really see those strong and severe storms really come together. So we'll keep you updated on that. Then through the overnight hours is when we could continue to see some of that heavy rain possible, but then dry by sunrise. Really just some clouds tomorrow and less humid, cooler temperatures, really nice, and that weekend looks fantastic. As far as that rain forecast goes, 1 to 2 inches northwest and central Iowa with locally heavier amounts possible in some stronger storms, a ½ inch to an inch in Nebraska and South Dakota, and then less as we get towards Nebraska. So again, keeping an eye on that. And then we already got some rain last night. Those at the border already got an inch, so could see some flooding, especially there. Temperatures are warm and muggy today in the upper 80s. That heat index is in the 90s, but warmer as you head south. Very muggy as well. This is going to help fuel those storms for later. That's oppressive 75 for that dew point, and winds are out of the north. 69 tonight, storms and heavy rain with that wind and hail possible. 86 tomorrow, decreasing clouds and cooler, less humid. And then that 7-day will have no rain chances. Really, tonight is the bulk of it, and then we'll stay dry and nice throughout the week.
And we'll stay tuned. Thanks, Elisa.